system fault. It said in 50 miles will be limited to 50 miles an hour. It's got to be something with what we just did, but I don't have any service engine lights on. So
And you just today, so last week we got the truck fixed.
Got the DPF fixed last week.
Okay.
Got the knock sensor 1 replaced today. When we get to Goldendale, we'll pull over someplace. I'll look at it, get a sense of it. I might be able to just reset it.
Hope so.
I don't like it.
I'm getting kind of tired of this, having truck problems. Would you be able to just call the mechanic and say, I just got this? What does that mean?
I'm not gonna, like, in Goldendale, we know Goldendale is a place we can go, right?
Yeah. If it's where I think it is. There's a McDonald's there.
What we just had done, oh, that's pretty. What we just had done has to do with the exhaust fluid system.
That's why I thought calling him. That's really pretty.
I just cleared the codes.
Really?
Yeah.
So
Hopefully
when you
that's
took
what
it in
is.
this morning, they did not clear the code.
Yeah, some reason the service engine light went off here, but when I hooked up to the reader, it said that P2201 was still there, and it doesn't show service engine, but it shows it on there. So that, and then below that was another, like, okay, we're gonna limit the, whatever they call that, we're gonna limit the engine because of that. So, and I think I had read that the first code, one of the things, if you keep on driving on it, it will limit your, there's a word for that, I can't think what it is. I don't know. But
Reduce engine power.
Yeah. And so I think that's all it was doing. I cleared the codes. I think we are going to be fine.
We'll let you know. Francis is not worried. He's actually very happy to be back in his bed.
I'm not a mechanic, but this is my advice. If you're going to buy a truck, and like a high mileage truck, and rely on it, and you have the opportunity to get an Easy Link thing that plugs into your socket down there, and you have a software on your phone that you can read the truck codes and all that, it's so worth it. I don't know how much I spent. I mean, it wasn't cheap, but like right now we would be limping. That's the word. We would be limping if I wouldn't have had this to just be able to pull it up and go, oh, reset codes. Like, so worth it. And we would be having to find right now a mechanic to just come out and hook up and reset the codes and all that. So just a word of advice. Go ahead, do it.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
In recent years, the Portland freeways have become so crowded. It wasn't like that when we lived here. But now it seems like I-205 runs at 45 miles per hour all day, every day. So it wasn't too much of a surprise when traffic started backing up. But after the beautiful scenic drive through the Columbia Gorge, one of the most beautiful places on the earth, it just felt so jarring to suddenly find ourselves in traffic. And yet it also let us know that we were almost to our destination of Portland's best little bedroom community, Canby.
There's tent camping all along the wall.
I guess I'm gonna have to get over.
Yeah. Do you love Portland traffic? Yeah, because you can lay a little bit longer. So we've decided, again, that we're really happy that we don't necessarily live in a big city, because we've been stuck in traffic for a long time. And it's not very fun to drive.
The irony of that is that we're happy we don't live in a big city because we're stuck in traffic, but we live on the road.
We live on the road, but we
don't
try
get stuck in
to
traffic.
avoid the traffic when we can. Not that we always can, but we're in my hometown in Oregon, and so it's very familiar. It's just very busy.
Now keep right and take the exit. Follow the course of the road for 2 miles.
In 1 mile, turn left on Arch Road Northeast. Turn left on Arch Road Northeast.
Follow the course of the road for 3 miles.
Quarter miles. Arrive at Canby Grove Christian Center on the left.
Straight.
Yeah.
Arriving at Canby Grove Christian Center on the left.
So we missed our turn and we're in the wrong campground, so we have to back up. I don't know, you're going faster than me. Yeah, you're good. You're good. You have to turn.
I didn't hear that.
Turn, just keep turning. You're okay.
There's something up. There's a trash can here.
Oh, well, you could go back another about 5 feet here.
I'm gonna do something slightly different.
Anyway, we turned into the wrong campground, so we have to turn around, go back out to the road, turn right, and then turn left into another campground. So we weren't paying attention. You have a sign on your passenger side.
I'm wanting to turn right after it.
Looks good. Keep coming, looks good.
Okay, I can get it from here.
Okay. Was that fun? Was that fun? Yeah? All right, now we're gonna try and go the right way.
Yeah. Get a seatbelt on since you're crossing traffic. If you would.
I guess I should have put that address.
Yeah.
Daniel's out by the road there.
Huh?
Daniel's by the road there.
Yeah. This is way easier. So,
Ask him where to go.
I can't need my mirrors. Hey, how are you?
Good. This is a good awkward hug. Aaron was just saying this spot right here,
Okay.
number 2. Yep.
This, yeah, not
So
not
that,
over there,
that,
but
like,
this one.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it gives you a little privacy. That's my mom's rig, and she's gone. She just left. She's gone for a month, so.
Okay.
Hey, Daniel.
Hey.
All right, we're going right here. My hands were full. Okay, he says I should give you a
Oh,
hug.
thank you. It's so good to see you. Actually, I mean, the water can go either way.
Yeah, I might as well wanna. Why don't you move your car?
I saw that.
Okay, how am I looking back there?
Yeah, you can just come straight back. You no problem in coming straight back and then angle in. It's this one, isn't it?
No, that.
Oh, I would have been bringing you in the wrong one. Looks good.
Dan's here.
I see a Paul.
I see a Paul too.
It's appalling.
Is that where you want to be?
So is this the sewer or that or both?
I don't know. We can figure that out. I bet.
Probably both. Yep, that's a sewer.
Yeah.
So we'll do that. We will the slides. I can come back even further.
Hi, Paul.
Hi, Paul.
By a locust.
Yuck! I just saw land. Okay, stop.
We're here at the Canby Grove Christian Center, campground sort of thing. And we have family members who have a connection to it, and they were able to get us a spot here. Nice place to stay. We pulled in yesterday, hung out with some family. We're 5 minutes from everybody, 10 minutes, whatever it is. Canby, Oregon is this little bedroom community outside of Portland, and it's just wonderful. Small town, safe, all that. The drag is that I'm getting ready to leave to fly out of here tonight to fly back to Sarasota. We have some business there. That's not, I mean, it's what we do. So I'll be going back there and getting to see our daughter and son-in-law and son and daughter-in-law and our grandson and our grandbaby to come and friends and all that. So that's fun, but I'm really not looking forward to being gone from Wendy at all. Like, this is hard. We've done a lot of traveling without each other, and so we know how to do that, but for some reason this is different for me. I think I just like being just her and me doing our thing in the RV, doing life, where we're always going to the next place. We don't take that for granted at all. We are just enjoying it. And so when it's time to leave it, I don't really want to leave it, but I do want to see the people I'm going to see. So totally mixed feelings about it all, but this is life. We're glad to be doing what we're doing.